Sorry for ending the other video or short or something. Where am I gonna start now? Just let's start from bottom to top. And start from bottom to top. Oh, wait, is it here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I mean, ew. Ew, yeah, I mean, oh, yeah. You know what I mean? Okay, you definitely don't. Why am I so talkative? My father calls me 7-Eleven because my mouth is open 24 hours. Oh my god. Just obey. Oh my god, I love Lego. Lego is so fun. But I don't think this is Lego. It's just like Lego, but it's not Lego. Do you understand me? No. Oh. Oh. Well, it looks like Lego. Oh my god. Why am I shivering? Oh my god, wait, what happened? Oh god, what happened to the earth? I was supposed to say what happened to the Lego, but I actually said what happened to the earth. Oh my god, why am I always shivering? Oh my god, where's my One Piece? My One Piece went missing. Wait, actually, where is it? Yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm actually so confused. Is it behind the phone? Behind the bottle? No. I guess it disappeared. Bro, where is it? But could have fallen down somewhere. Nah, I'm not even gonna think about it. Wait, is there any chance it's gonna be here? The truck? But... Mommy! Come on! This is the first Lego weapon. Oh my god, where's that one piece of the Lego? I think tomorrow I'm gonna build another Lego. Oh my god, right now. Oh my god. Bro, where's the one piece I need? I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about this small piece. Here, right here. This one small piece. It just disappeared. And I need to find it in order to complete the video. I mean to continue the video. Go! Mommy! I still call my mother mommy. I still call my mother mommy. Mommy! Mommy, just come here! Bro, I am in no condition to stand up. I am no, bro. I can't stand up because I'm so lazy. I'm really so lazy. Lazy. Mommy! Bro, actually, we're actually gonna do something. Bro, I'm gonna do something. No, I'll just add this one extra piece that I don't even have to put in. Bro, I broke it. Oh wait, I did it. It just came right off. Clean. Okay, that's no good. It never comes out clean. And I definitely... Nah, this one needs to go to the hospital. I am the hospital. My brain is the surgeon. Bro, that was the most